The mystery surrounding a missing 6-year-old Sydney girl has deepened after it was revealed she's attended just 5 days of school this year.
Kaisha Abrahams was reported missing on Sunday morning, 12 hours after her mother tucked her into bed at their Mount Druitt home. For more on this story, we're joined again by Nine Network reporter Sarah Harris. She joins us from Mount Druitt this morning. Sarah, thanks again for joining us. She hasn't been going to school and friends haven't seen her for weeks now, it seems.
Yeah, Lee, that's right. It's quite strange, really. Yesterday, when I spoke to a friend of the family, I mentioned, because we had heard these rumours that perhaps Kaisha hadn't been to school for some weeks now. Obviously, school holidays was only a couple of weeks ago, but there were rumours going around that she hadn't been seen since before the school holidays, so that's about 3 weeks. At the time, the friend of the family said she was quite reluctant to comment on it. She didn't want to really say anything, that it wasn't her business. And now more and more of these rumours are coming out that, you know, she hasn't been seen. Yesterday at her local primary school, Mount Druitt Primary School, a teacher said, you know, she hasn't been around her uncle. So that the uncle, which is her, the brother of her stepfather, said that the last time he saw Kaisha was 3 weeks ago at a children's birthday party. So it does seem a little bit strange at this point, Lee.
It does. Sarah, what have police had to say about this new information?
Well, they're a bit reluctant to comment on it too, Sharon, but look, they're going through all the proper channels and making sure they're checking this information with the Department of Education and also the Department of Child Services. I guess what they're a little bit concerned about is this new information coming to light, sort of interrupting the search, because it is quite a big search they have ahead of them today. Still, you know, they're committing up to 100 SES volunteers and police. They're going to basically focus on Wayland Reserve, a nearby swathe of bushland. So, look, they've got a big job ahead of them, and, you know, it seems like these red herrings are taking their attention away from the case.
All right, Sarah Harris, good of you to join us.
Pleasure.